this video, we will be going over adding users and creating groups on Elite recorders. So let's go ahead and right-click at the local interface and select Main Menu. Now if you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Alright, and then select System Settings at the bottom right-hand corner. Now select Accounts. And then Add User. So here we're just going to go through the steps in creating a user. Okay, after you enter the password, you want to select the group. Admin will give you full rights, and user will give you limited rights. And then on an individual level, you can select certain permissions for this specific user. So you could enable or disable certain cameras on playback, and then monitor, which is your live view. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and save that. And it's asking me to put a different password in there, so I'll just go ahead and do so. And then after I do this, we're going to go and create a group. Now the group will be a template, so if you have multiple accounts, you can assign those users to one group, so you do not have to individually assign each permission. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and save that there, and then we'll go and navigate to group. So our user's in there, and now we'll select group. And at the bottom, add group, and just give your group a name. And then here's where you want to assign the privileges for this group. Okay, the group was saved. And now it's in our list, so we'll go back to user, and we'll add another user, and now assign the new group we just created. Okay, now we're going to go down to group, and we'll select our custom group. And you can see everything that we enabled in that group will list there for you, and you no longer have to enable each individual user. So that goes over creating groups and adding users at the local interface of an Elite recorder. Thank you for watching.